UiPath on the daily chart, small little pullback over here. Overall trend is still down, but let's dissect this chart together. Looking at some of these pullbacks, this pullback is very similar to this one over here. I'm going to start to map out my 𝗕𝗶𝘁 support using my Fibonacci retracements, Fibonacci extensions. Clicking from the pivot high, pivot low, pivot high. That's my first price relationship. Now I'm going to use my retracements next. I'm going to start pulling from this pivot low to pivot high. When I make this pull, I have a 786 retracement. That's my second price relationship. Overlaps the 𝗕𝗶𝘁 support work that I just did. One more time, I'm going to pull from this pivot low to pivot high. When I do, I have a 618 retracement that also overlaps in that area. So that's my combination of three price relationship, Fibonacci retracements, and also 𝗕𝗶𝘁 support. Taking a quick look on the hourly chart, the only reason why I'm starting to take an interest at this chart simply because on the hourly chart is using that 200 moving average as support. Now a lot of bullish moves always start out first on a smaller time frame, then it starts to roll over some strength into the hourly chart, and finally you start to see a series of higher highs and higher lows on the daily chart. You're not seeing that just now. However, if you are adventurous, if you position size correctly, jumping down to the 15-minute time frame, I will wait for the trigger to go long when that 8 moving average crosses against the 34 to the upside. From there, you can position size correctly and setting your stop below this pivot low. So second case, if UiPath goes against you, take your small loss and go on to another chart. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now, hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.